Mix a small amount of white dishwashing soap, baking soda, and toothpaste into a paste. Use a soft brush or cloth to scrub the white shoes gently. Rinse with water or wipe with a damp cloth, then air dry for best results. Place garlic cloves in a jar with a lid, seal it, and shake vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds. The agitation causes the garlic skins to loosen and fall off, leaving you with peeled cloves. It's quick, mess-free, and saves time in cooking. Instead of folding, roll your clothes tightly to maximize suitcase space. Rolled clothes take up less room, reduce wrinkles, and make it easier to organize items. This method is perfect for packing more efficiently, especially for travel with limited luggage space. For small nail holes in walls, use white toothpaste as a quick filler. Simply squeeze a small amount into the hole, smooth it with a putty knife or your finger, and let it dry. It's an easy, cost-effective, temporary solution. To clean a hose effectively, insert a sponge attached to a long string into the hose. As you pull the string, the sponge will scrub the interior, removing dirt and debris, ensuring a thorough clean without needing harsh chemicals. If your zipper gets stuck, use a fork to help guide it. Slide the fork's tines alongside the zipper teeth to realign them, allowing the slider to move smoothly again and restoring functionality without damaging the fabric or zipper. To make pouring flour mess-free, use an empty bottle with a wide opening. Fill it with flour, then close the cap tightly. When ready to use, simply unscrew the cap to pour, allowing for easy and controlled dispensing without spills. To make threading a needle easier, use a toothbrush. Place the needle's eye against the bristles, then gently slide the thread through the opening. The toothbrush will stabilize the needle, making it simpler to thread, especially for those with shaky hands.